front of us is 11 o'clock, and there are the lighter colors just above the water. Those are all harbor seals there. And so I'm going to come in real slow. I'm going to stay off the mic for now because they're very skittish, very skittish. So please make sure you don't have any flashes on or anything.
Oh, yeah.
And let's come in here and get a look at some harbor seals. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna follow her for just a second because her downtime is a long time. She's right next to shore.
These are the ones that died.
So right at the edge of shore.
Okay. So the transients are the ones that
Here a little bit underwater too.
She hunts sea lions, and there's definitely sea lions over there.
Look at her! Wow! You see her crest? Look at her!
Oh yeah, she's going down.
Do you see her? You see her?
Then we have this type. So it's out of marine mammal killer in the juice room. Now we're looking at the resident or fish-eating killer whale. Now, I know we hear the term resident and definitely picked up the pace. I'm glad we moved when we did. These are the largest member of the dolphin family. These are dolphins. And because of that, they're not only the largest of the dolphin, they're also the fastest animals in our water. Now, I say that they're moving, and that's just because normally when they're in this area. That's a humpback whale. That's crazy. Let's see. We were looking at the orcas off to the starboard side, so why don't you folks switch? Let's try and even off the platform here. We're going to inside. How many look like? Two horned puffins and a humpback whale. Look at that. Two horned puffins as you're waiting. The humpback whale looks like it's doing another loop, so let's watch. I don't know which one of you brought the good luck today, but whoever wants to take credit, you can have it. We got a muskrat transient killer whale. We got some resident killer whales next to us. This humpback whale just did a loop around us. The question is though, where does it pop up next? My hunch is that it comes back around. Oh my goodness, 9 o'clock. keep backing up because it's not meant to be anyone in any given feet. Watch, because if you hear the calving, it's going to be too late. So you just want to put your head on a swivel, keep looking as much as you can. If there's a spot that I think has, a higher chance, I'll let you know. But we're going to start with the glacier off to the starboard or right hand side. Starboard right hand side.
That was awesome. Oh,
Yeah, you see that wave there? It's just telling the island sea. In about 3 weeks, some friends of mine from Seward will come out here on the day of the year when it has the highest earthquake activity, and we will surf that exact wave. It's one of our favorite ways to surf out here. It's super cool.